morning, 6:30 in the morning. Model Bakery just opened and I got some yummies. Let's see what I got here. First of all, the almond croissant. I already had a bite and it's flaky and delicious and very, very good. Now, I haven't tried the English muffin yet, so I put some jam and butter on it, and here we go. I can see what Oprah likes about it. It tastes like an English muffin, but it has the crispiness and the flakiness of a croissant. It's very addictive. I'm definitely gonna get 6 or so to take home in a few days. I also wanted to try breakfast sandwich. This is just a half of it, but it's got eggs in there, it's got ham. You can get it with sausage, and it also has some raw cheddar cheese in there. The egg is very fresh. The English muffin, it's very chewy, which is good. This is really good. Oh yeah, I also got a chai. So, and that is very, very good. You see that? That's the French Laundry. Right over there. Dinner is $350. Just like that. Hi, from the garden of the French Laundry. We are allowed to walk along this beautiful garden where they grow all their own vegetables and fruits for their dinners, which are $350. But I will not be going to their dinner, but I will be looking at all the produce that they put in their meals. So it's a nice, beautiful little garden. Has a little bit of everything. Chickens and bees for honey. It's pretty. I'm the only one here. Of course, it's only 7 a.m. so